In today's video, I'll show you how to add products in Odoo so you can build a clean, organized catalog and manage your inventory more efficiently. The process is simple, and once you know where everything is, adding new items becomes quick and straightforward. Start by opening Odoo and heading to the section where products are managed. You can do this through the inventory module under products or through the sales module, which lists the same product menu. Either route brings you to your full product database. Once you're inside, click the Create button to start adding a new product. A product form will appear, and this is where you'll enter all the important details. Begin by typing in a clear product name and choose the correct product type. Whether it's a stockable product, a consumable, or a service, selecting the right type helps Odoo track your item accurately across sales and inventory. Next, set the sales price you want customers to see and then choose the unit of measure, whether you sell items individually by weight or in packs. Picking the right unit keeps your stock counts accurate. You can now add product images to make the listing more helpful and visually appealing. Choose high quality photos that represent the product clearly. After that, assign the product to a category so your catalog stays organized and items are easy to find. Before finishing, configure the taxes that apply to the product so pricing stays compliant and consistent across invoices. Once all the information is filled in, click Save. Your new product is now active in Odoo and ready for sales, inventory tracking, and reporting. And that's it. Your product is added and your catalog just became easier to manage. Stay tuned for more quick Odoo tutorials.